Alrighty guys, so you've seen the version 6 head unit upgrade for most of our videos online, so let's just take a deep dive into the system and show you all what it's about. So just opening up the box here, you got your version 6 user manual, so that's nice and handy to have. You got the main system, which we'll just chuck over to the side for now. And down the bottom of the box, you got all your accessory plugins. So this one here is your RCA outputs for an external amplifier and speakers. Comes with your external microphone and your SIM card reader as well. This one is your 4G data receiver. Then inside this little bag here, you're going to have your USB ports, your GPS receiver, and your aftermarket camera input as well. So we'll just pop this stuff to the side for now, unbag the unit, just like so. Then over on the back of the system, this is where all your accessories plug into the back. So you got your RCA output, 360 camera input, CAN bus input, USBs and reverse camera, then your 4G inputs and your GPS inputs, along with your radio antenna and your main power plug as well. So we'll just move over to this side, to the unit that we prepared earlier, so we'll just go through this and show you all the settings and how everything works. Alrighty, so we'll just start off with the main thing everybody needs these days, which is your wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So just here you're going to have the main navigation, your main music streaming, and your hands-free calling as well. So you can just dial out all your contacts, everything's just in the one place for you. Any application that supports on CarPlay will just be in this menu now. So you've got Waze, WhatsApp, Spotify, Google Maps. Like I said, anything that supports CarPlay or Android Auto will now be here. Working back to the home screen of the system, swiping over to this side, you've got navigation. With this one, you can preset it to whatever navigation you want, whether that be the offline navigation system called iGo, so iGo Maps, which just runs off GPS signal, so no internet connection required for that one. You got your music, which is your main media hub if you're plugging anything into the USB ports, so USB 1, USB 2. You can plug an external hard drive into these for any videos, music playback, anything like that if you want. You got your main AM FM radio. Of course, with this one, save and preset all your favorite radio stations just like that. It does do FM and AM as well, and plenty of presets to choose from. Going back to our home page, you got your application page now. So inside the app page, this is where you access all your Google Chrome, Maps, YouTube, Spotify, everything like that, along with your Google Play Store, meaning you can download whatever application you want straight to the system. Working into this one, you've got sound effects, so this is the built-in DSP and digital surround sound equalizer. So stacks to choose from in here, it's never ending. So this is why it's going to work good with your aftermarket amp and speakers, anything like that. Now working over to this side, you've got system settings. So basically inside settings, this is where you're going to access all your Wi-Fi connections or mobile networks, plus your Bluetooth, then all just your usual settings for general settings, audio settings, display, version, everything's just there. Very similar to the music playback, you've got video playback as well through USB, USB 1 and USB 2. Then working over to this side, phone link, which is the quick access to wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. And then once again, one more swipe brings you into Google Chrome, AUX in. So AUX in is for any external video playback things that you might have, like a front camera or any external screen that you want to run. And then AVM, so AVM is our built-in 360 camera system. So basically these systems come with the built-in 360 chip, meaning once you plug up all the cameras, you can see all four. So you're going to have the front camera, left, rear and right side of the car as well, just there. And that's a quick rundown of all this stuff. So now what we'll do is we'll connect it up to internet and show you how the internet side works. Alrighty, so we are now connected up to internet through this one. So I've just turned on my hotspot off my phone and connected up through it that way. So now we can just go online through the browsers, anything you want there. So it's already open onto YouTube. Open up a new tab, you can go onto Facebook, whatever application you want, whatever website you want, you can access just there. Going back home, application page. As mentioned earlier, we do have Waze and little things like that onto this system as well. So if you don't want to connect up to the phone's Bluetooth and you don't want to run through CarPlay or Android Auto, you can just run everything through the system itself now. And obviously once you are logged into all of your accounts like Spotify, YouTube, Waze, Disney Plus and Netflix, everything will just open up and work as it should. If there's Netflix, you just got to log into your account, watch all your favorite movies just there. And same thing with Disney Plus as well. Again, once you connect up to the Play Store, you may have to run a couple updates for each application, but once that's done, it is all happy, ready to go. And that's a quick rundown of everything connected up to the internet, and that's pretty much it. So if you're interested in this, hit us up at 1300 696 488 or visit our website kayhanaudio.com.au.